Hi, what's up, WAXP Coin holder? What's going on? Today video is very good, my friend, and very good news is for all of you now. So that's the main reason, my friend, was that because the price will pumps up. Absolutely, all credit goes to my friend. The price is increasing, and all credit goes to holder because when a holder are starting holding, so definitely the price will pumping. When a holder are starting investing, so the price will pumping, and definitely, my friend, the team of WAXP Coin is also, my friend, doing very hard work. They will collaborate with a lot of companies, so therefore, my friend, the price is increasing. Kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, my friends, must watch this video completely because we will going to predicate this coin. Please guys, subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This is the last 7 days chart, my friend, and if we check out here, so that's the main target. You can see here our target is 0.270, and this time you can see here they will hit now 0.26 USD dollar. So I hope they will hit now again. And my friend, you can see here the resistance line is, I think, come out here now. So if they will hit the resistance line, so that's clear, my friend, to the coin will completely on the profit. But if they will fail us down, so definitely they will completely on the loss. But I am 100% sure, my friend, to after a short term, after you could see this long term, they will pumps up. So that's a very good news for all of you, my friend. To price will pumps up, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming days the VIX price will again hit now 20% profit. So if they just only get a 20% profit, I will give you guarantee, my friends, so they will hit now 0.3 to 0.4 USD dollar. This is our latest target, my friend. I hope they will do it, but please holder, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for urgent updates videos.